Welcome back. Now you can create and have postcards printed. In order to do that, what you're going to do is write into the search bar. You're going to write in postcard. You'll notice then that the postcards are going to be 5.5 inches by 4.3 inches. We're then going to click into the canvas. You'll then notice that Canva will give you certain templates that you can use as postcards. Some of those templates are going to be free. Others of them are going to be paid. So what we're going to do is we're going to use one of the free templates, and we're then going to click free. And what you'll notice is that there's going to be a front and back to this template. So we're going to add a page and we're going to make the second page the second part of the postcard template. Once we've edited both pages, we're then going to click this button that says, Print Postcards. You can then determine whether you want larger postcards and whether you want single-sided or double-sided postcards. You'll then select your printing options and your shipping options, and you'll then click Continue. Once you've determined that the design is what you want, you'll then click Continue. You'll then make sure that you don't have the bleeding. You'll then click Continue, and you'll then make sure that none of your content is cut off. Then click Continue. You'll then have your proof to make sure that is going to be what you want. You'll be able to analyze the proof by PDF. Once you do that, you'll then be able to go back to complete the ordering process. You'll then go through your disclosures, then click Continue, and then you'll click Continue, and then you'll put in your card that you have on file. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.